Today's video from Sam4S, we're taking a quick look at how to set up the yen as your currency symbol on the ER-180 register. The process is fairly straightforward. First thing you need to do is to go into the program mode by pressing 6 and the mode button. You get P on the display, which confirms you're in the programming mode, and then you need to type in 40 followed by subtotal. You then hit the number 3 button here and then press the X time key here, and now you need to enter the character code for the symbol you want to put in. So for me it's the yen, which is 030. You then press the subtotal button followed by cash to confirm, and you get a little printout confirming that print option 3 has changed. If you now return to the reg position, the next sale you put through will have the new currency symbol displayed on the receipt. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180 and other Sam4S registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.